Hey, welcome back to the garage. This wasn't an intended video that I'd planned on making, but I think it's a pretty good one to be doing. A few of you have been asking about the fitting of the Austin Racing can and the removal of the black box, the bread bin, whatever you want to call it. And a lot of you are thinking this is the cat. It's not. This here is pretty much like another silencer. This isn't the cat. The cat is underneath the bike. I'll show you here. So obviously here's the downpipes, it goes underneath, and this is where the cat is, underneath here. You'll see an O2 sensor there, and then another one there. This section is the cat. And then there's the link pipe, and then the Austin Racing exhaust. So pretty much the RS has two silencers. You've got this one, whether you want to call it a primary or secondary silencer. Then the obvious one that fits on the back of the bike. These two fit together, obviously in this configuration. So you've got part silencer in here and part silencer in there. Also, just to add, in my circumstances, I don't know about other pipes, but once you remove the black box and the silencer, you can remove the servo. But once disconnected, you need to fit what I've done, a Heel-Tech servo eliminator, or you can get the bike remapped. A remap isn't necessary unless you remove the catalytic converter. If you're leaving that on, leaving the downpipes in place, you don't need a remap. I hope this clarifies it. Take care, ride safe.